Hi guys, today we're taking a look at Govee's latest strip lights, which is the Govee Strip Light 2 Pro and Govee's COB Strip Light Pro. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. Now the Strip Light 2 Pro has Govee's self-developed LuminBlend color control system with 16-bit color capability and RGB WWIC light color solution, and their COB Light Strip Pro has 1260 LEDs per meter, providing spotless and diffused lighting with customizable segmented control. So I'll show you how to set these up, go through the options available in the app, together with showing you a comparison with other lights to give you a better idea of what the quality is like on these. But before I begin, if you're new to the channel, hope you can support me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of my next release. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Let's begin by taking a look at what you get inside the packaging for Govee's Strip Light 2 Pro. You get the LED strip light, a power adapter with a DC connector, a control box which has a sticky pad on the back together with a DC connector, and a 4-pin connector for the LED strip light. There's a 2-pin power cable, some documentation, a 3M sticky pad, and a couple of bags containing some fixing clips. On to Govee's COB Strip Light Pro. Inside the packaging you have an envelope with some documentation, the COB Strip Light which has a control box attached and is powered via a DC connector. Then we have a smaller box. Opening this up, and inside you have a power adapter with a DC connector. Let's take a closer look at the Govee Strip Light 2 Pro. It comes in 3 different sizes: 2 meters, 5 meters and 10 meters, with all of them having a 12mm width. I have the 5-meter version, with you able to extend the smaller ones up to 10 meters. It has 60 LEDs per meter with a silicone coating protecting the LEDs. They're cuttable every 100mm, and on the back there's a sticky pad, but it doesn't look like it's 3M. Setting up the Strip Light 2 Pro is easy. Connect the power cable to the power adapter, then take the DC connector from the power cable and plug it into the control box. And then the controller is connected to the end of the light strip via the 4-pin connector. Just make sure the pins are correctly lined up and push it in to connect it. Moving on to the COB Strip Light Pro, it comes in 2 different sizes, so 3 meters and 5 meters, with them both having a 12mm width. I've got the 3-meter version. Taking a closer look at the LED strip, it's encased in a white silicone casing that acts as a diffuser and protects the LEDs inside, with it having 1260 LEDs per meter. On the back there's a sticky pad, but it doesn't look like it's 3M. The strip light is really flexible with a good build quality, allowing you to easily bend it to create your own unique designs, and you're able to cut along the faint black lines at the back, with there being cut points every 83mm. Connecting up the COB strip light is simple. All you have to do is connect the power adapter into the DC connector on the control box. Let's get the devices added to the Govee app, and make sure you have Bluetooth turned on when you do this. First up is the Strip Light 2 Pro. Click on the plus icon in the corner and you'll see it pick up the device pretty quickly. Follow the on-screen prompts, and once added you can give it a specific name and then click done. You're able to add it to your Wi-Fi network too, but you don't have to do this, as you can just control it via Bluetooth if you wanted to. The LEDs are really bright, providing 350 lumens per meter, but I've turned this down to 25% so my camera can pick it up better to give the colors some justice. Now what makes this different from other Govee strip lights is Govee's LuminBlend color, which is Govee's self-developed color control system integrating hardware and software. It has a 16-bit color processing chip, which is the G1151, that has 5 color LEDs, so RGB WW, and Govee's intelligent color blending algorithms, helping to optimize color performance. Govee has created their own LuminBlend color mode in their app, which gives accurate colors, smoother transitions, even in low saturation. There's a selection of presets exclusive to the Govee Strip Light 2 Pro, which you can see under the LuminBlend colors. Let me show you some of the different effects this has, and as you can see, the transition between colors of different shades is very smooth, with it having a wider selection of colors available to make this possible. Now, as a comparison to Govee's Strip Light 2 Pro, I've placed it side by side with some of the leading strip lights currently on the market, and you can see how bright and vivid Govee Strip Light 2 Pro is, with both low brightness and saturation. Color accuracy on the 2 Pro looks excellent and accurate compared to the others, even in low brightness and low saturation, as it has a wider range of colors helped by Govee's color blending algorithms and by the fact that the LED strip has 5 color LEDs, so RGBWW. With the huge upgrade on color performance, the 2 Pro allows you to control warm and cool white independently along the strip light by changing the color temperature and the brightness levels along each segment, which is a massive upgrade as its competitors can only control the RGB colors. Moving on to the COB Strip Light Pro, brightness levels wise, it's really bright with brightness levels at 486 lumens per meter. It has 1260 LEDs per meter packed tightly together, giving 1600 lumens, making this strip light really bright with a spotless and diffused lighting effect, providing both vibrant colors and pure white. I've turned the brightness levels down to 25% so my camera picks it up better to give it the justice it deserves, as seriously the colours on this are just stunning. Govee's COB Strip Light Pro has 12 IC chips planted on the strip light, which exceeds the offerings from other leading brands which generally have 8 to 10 IC chips, making the COB Strip Light Pro having the highest density distribution in the industry. And as this has more IC chips, it makes the dynamic lighting effects on the COB Strip Light Pro more flexible, as there's 12 customizable segments per meter, giving you the ability to customize the direction, speed, and multi-layer color overlay. It's also cuttable with a strong adhesive on the back. Now for comparison purposes, I've placed the Govee COB Strip Light Pro side by side with the leading competitor on the market, which also has a diffuser around it. And just to highlight, this isn't a COB light, but just a standard LED in a diffuser. And with the brightness levels at 100% showing warm white, you can see how bright Govee's COB Strip Light Pro is, providing a spotless and seamless lighting effect in the diffuser. Showing it with cool white, Govee's COB light is at 100%, giving a really bright light. And you can see some reflections coming off from my desk, but color representation is just awesome, again with no spots, with the white light being uniform. Next, presenting Govee's COB Strip Light Pro with the competitor, with the lights at full brightness where the colors are reflecting off the wall. You can see the colors on Govee's COB are brighter, giving more vibrant and vivid colors, with a seamless color along the COB again, with a spotless lighting effect. Now showing them in a dark room with a COB light at 10% brightness and the competitor's one at 30%, you can see how bright and vivid the colors from the COB are. And even at low brightness levels, Govee's COB is seamless with no spots, so a real game changer here. On to testing the two LED strip lights with one of Govee's TV backlight kits. I've attached the Strip Light 2 Pro to the back of my shelving unit, and the COB is below my TV unit together with Govee's Floor Lamp Pro at the side. I've set up all the lights in the Dreamview option so they can all sync together in Govee's Sync Center, allowing you to sync all the lights together, giving a more immersive viewing experience when watching movies or gaming. The lights transition so well, and when gaming, the colors sync with what's happening on the screen, giving an insanely good experience, drawing you more into the game. And even watching movies, it gives great ambient lighting with the effects being truly stunning. So in summary, Govee's created two awesome strip lights that provide really bright and vivid colors together with stunning color representation with seamless rainbow lighting along the strip lights. The app functionality is excellent, providing segmented control on the lighting, music sync, DIY customization, together with a massive selection of predefined scenes, with you having the ability to cut the light strip to size at the predefined points. Govee's LuminBlend technology featured on Govee's Strip Light 2 Pro gives stunning and vibrant color transitions, enhanced by the fact that they've added two white LEDs, which allows you to control warm and cool white lights independently, giving you even more accuracy in color performance. With Govee's COB Strip Light Pro, you get spotless and cleaner lighting effects. Brightness levels are excellent, illuminating any room in your home and giving excellent lighting coverage, so perfect if you wanted to add it to a gaming desk or under cabinets. It can also integrate with both Amazon and Google voice control products, together with being Matter compatible to seamlessly integrate with other smart devices, making these light strips some of the best light strips you can get right now. So there you have it. You've come to the end of another video, and I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. And if you have any questions on this, let me know in the comments below. For those of you who've got to the end of this video, please leave a comment with LED, as it's awesome to see who's got to the end of my video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You can follow me on my socials. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to be notified of my next release. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.